Hey everyone, I have great news. I have figured out a good VR hand workflow in UE4.27 and UE5. I'm going to do some aggressive bug testing and spend the next 2 weeks creating some straightforward step-by-step tutorials to help you get your own VR hands in the Unreal Engine VR template. I have even created a free asset for you to download. This hand mesh was modeled, textured, and rigged by me, and I am including some animations for you to download along with it to use within the tutorials. It will be available for download when the tutorials go live. I am going to need to split this process into 3 separate videos, but I will be releasing them all at once, so don't worry. The first tutorial will cover adding the custom hand meshes into Unreal Engine and adding them to the VR pawn. We will then go over creating an animation blueprint and assigning gestures to the VR hands, such as pointing, gripping, and thumbs up. This will be reactive and intuitive and will utilize the controller similarly to the Oculus hand mesh you see inside the Oculus Home on PC. The second tutorial will focus on adding specific grip states to the currently existing grab components. I will then be creating and showcasing some examples for you to learn exactly how the custom grip pose system works. We will be adding a gun mesh and its pose, and a melee weapon as well. The third tutorial will focus entirely on creating procedural grip poses, meaning the hand mesh will conform around all the objects that do not have special grab component tags. I designed this system to be similar to the Half-Life Alyx pickup system. This was super difficult to program, but I am nonetheless excited to share it with you. These tutorials will build on top of each other, and at the end of the series you will have a hand mesh that can automatically switch between gestures, custom grip poses, and procedural gripping, just like any other VR game you see on the market. I know it's been a long time since I promised a VR hand tutorial to you, but I have made significant changes and leaps and bounds in my skills as a programmer and animator since I made that original video. I promise you, this was worth the wait. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.